Right now, as you watch this, your shoulders are likely hunched forward and your head is tilting down, adding 10 pounds of pressure to your spine for every inch of misalignment. Studies show 90% of adults develop tech neck by age 40, yet most don't realize they're shrinking their height and aging their appearance. When we placed hidden cameras in everyday locations, participants couldn't believe how they actually walked. Like Robert here. His security guard didn't recognize him on CCTV because his habitual slouch made him look 20 years older. This posture blindness affects 7 in 10 adults, according to spinal health studies. Your spine is the foundation of your entire skeletal system. When misaligned, it compresses discs, shown here in red, causing chronic pain and reducing lung capacity by up to 30%. Research confirms poor posture accelerates arthritis development and literally makes you shorter over time. Here's a simple test. Stand with your back against a wall. If your head doesn't touch naturally, you've developed forward head posture. Most people need 3+ inches of correction, like Linda, who gained 2 inches in height after just 4 weeks of posture training. These 5 evidence-based methods work synergistically. 1. Doorway stretches open, tighten chest muscles. 2. Wall alignment resets muscle memory. 3. People watching builds awareness. 4. Chair decompression reverses sitting damage. 5. The book balance test makes correction fun. No equipment needed. Stand in any doorway, place forearms on frame at 90-degree angles. Gently lean forward for 30 seconds. You'll feel tight pectoral muscles releasing. This counteracts the closed shoulder position from phone use. Do this 3x daily to regain natural shoulder alignment. Press your hips, shoulders, and head flat against any wall. Tuck your chin slightly to feel cervical spine alignment. Hold for 2 minutes while breathing deeply. This teaches muscles your true neutral position. Physical therapists recommend doing this after every hour of sitting. Turn everyday observations into posture reminders. When you notice someone slouching, like this commuter, check your own posture. This builds mindfulness without extra time commitment. Studies show environmental triggers are 3x more effective than random reminders. Sit on a tennis ball placed under each sit bone. Yes, it's uncomfortable at first. This releases tight hip flexors from prolonged sitting. Combine with chin tucks to counteract computer hunch. Office workers report 40% less back pain after 2 weeks of this 5-minute daily routine. Look at Robert now, standing taller with 2 inches regained and chronic back pain gone. Remember, posture correction isn't about vanity. As physical therapist Dr. Sarah Chen confirms, proper alignment adds years to your health span. Start with just one method today. Your future self will thank you.